What do you say or do to let your partner know you are in the mood for you know what? If your partner become fluffy to the point where you are no longer attracted to him, how would you tell him to lose some weight? Do you like a hairy chest or a smooth chest? Can we see how exactly you're going to do with your eyes?
Like this.
What is your name and age?
I'm Natalie po and I am 19 years old.
She's very beautiful. I love your hair. I love your skin. I love you. You look so pretty. How are you tonight, Natalie?
I'm fine po.
Okay, that's good to know. Okay, so here's the question. What do you say or do to let your partner know you are in the mood for you know what?
Oh my god. English. How can I speak English like fluent po? I don't know how to speak.
It's okay. You can say it in simple English. What do you say or do to let your partner know you are in the mood?
I do like this po.
You do that. How often? How often do you do that?
Oh my god. Sometimes po. Well, like, I feel like,
When you feel like doing it.
yes po.
Okay. Now this one, lights on or off?
It depends on my mood po. But usually po, lights on.
Lights on. Okay. Okay. This one. Do you like a hairy chest or a smooth chest?
Smooth po.
Do you like your partner's natural scent or do you prefer a nice smelling cologne?
Um, Both po, I think.
Okay. Last question. If your partner became fluffy to the point where you are no longer attracted to him, how would you tell him to lose some weight?
Oh my god! I cannot. Sorry, I cannot answer that question.
Why? You don't want to offend him?
Po. Yes. Kaya I'll just stay silent and like eye contact, I think. Really?
I can.
Yes.
Are you single or are you in a relationship?
I'm single po.
How long have you been single?
Like 5 months.
5 months. Okay. How many boyfriends you had?
Two po.
Two. And you're still studying, right?
Yes po.
May we know what's your course?
Um, I am taking medical technology po right now, but I am a former nursing student. Really?
Wow. So you must be smart.
Not really.
she's just very she's just very humble, guys, and her friends are very, yeah, her you want to say hi, guys? You're like a, what do you call it, like a boy's friend, right? Like you have,
Yes. Yes po.
are they all straight or
Is it obvious?
she's someone that you would love to hang out with?
I'm really funny and like, isn't it obvious?
Hi everyone. So this is her second time here. Babe, please introduce yourself again for our new viewers. Name and age.
Hello, I'm Jekka and I'm 21 years old.
How are you tonight, Beth?
I'm doing fine and I'm going to have some fun later.
Yes, they're going to have some fun. They're gonna drink, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's the question, Jacob. What do you say or do to let your partner know you are in the mood for you know what?
Um I cannot I am not comfortable saying it like verbally, but I think I'm going to say it like physical touch and everything. Like
Like how?
like yung um touching him and my beautiful eyes. I'm going to work out my eyes for him to know seducing him like that.
Can we see how exactly you're going to do with your eyes?
Like this.
Okay. Now, lights on or off?
I prefer lights off since I'm not comfortable doing it like with the lights on because I don't want him to see me like fully naked. So yeah.
Okay. Do you like a hairy chest or a smooth chest?
I prefer a smooth chest because I believe it's not about the unhygienic but I feel like it's more clean to have a clean chest than other than hairy chest.
Okay. Do you like your partner's natural scent or do you prefer a nice smelling cologne?
I prefer a nice smelling cologne since it's so nice to have a partner to have a nice scent naturally and especially when he has a perfume on.
Okay. Now, for the last question, if your partner became fluffy to the point where you are no longer attracted to him, how would you tell him to lose some weight?
I'm not going to tell him directly because it might hurt his ego, but I will encourage him to join me doing cardio or going to the gym so that he can be active other than that thing.
Okay. The last time we interviewed you, you were single, right?
Yes.
Are you still single?
Yes, I'm still single.
And how long have you been single now?
It's almost a year. Yeah, a year.
No suitor?
No suitor.
And she's very smart, guys. Very very smart. The last time we interviewed you, you were like dressed nicely, right? Because you had an award, something like that.
Yeah, I'm a Dean's Lister. That is why.
What is your name and age?
My name is Kate and I am 22 years old.
How are you tonight, Kate?
I am fine. How about you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. Okay, so here's the question. What do you say or do to let your partner know you are in the mood for you know what?
About that, since I am single and actually I don't have, any experience about it yet, but if ever that I think I'll be in the mood or, I'll be asking my partner about it, I think I'll just be honest, like proactively ask for it.
Okay, how about this one? Lights on or off?
Off.
Is there any reason why off?
I think off is when the lights off is much more like romantically than on for me. So yeah, off.
Okay. Do you like a hairy chest or a smooth chest?
Is smooth chest. You know, like I love Koreans, like I love K dramas, man, and yeah, I love smooth chest than hairy chest.
Okay. This one. Do you like your partner's natural scent or do you prefer a nice smelling cologne?
Natural smell. Mhm.
If your partner become fluffy to the point where you are no longer attracted to him, how would you tell him to lose some weight?
About that, I think no worries about the weight as long as his attitude and everything, and he's still the one that I love. So no worries about the weight actually. But if sometimes if it will affect his health and everything, then I would tell him nicely, like you could lose weight, and yeah, this is not. I mean, it's not like because I'm not attractive anymore, but this is for your health also. Yeah.
That's very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You are 22 years old. You said that you're single since birth, right?
Yep.
Are you still studying or you're working?
Actually, I just graduated last June. I'm from Bicol University, and yeah, now I am working at BPO company.
BPO, Big University. What was your course?
It's elementary education. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. May we know why you're still single?
About that, I'm still enjoying my single life, I think, and also nowadays, of course, I want to find a man, that will be for a lifetime, not just like for a moment or anything. So yeah, I'm still
I love that.
Yep.
So, like, date to marry, right?
Correct.
So, we are going to interview her for our members. So, see you later there, guys. What is your name and age?
Rosemary, and my age is turning 24.
Turning 24. How are you tonight, Rosemary?
I'm good.
Okay. So here's the question. What do you say or do to let your partner know you are in the mood for you know what?
If I'm in the mood, for me, mom, nothing. ano, you know,
Nothing. You just sometimes we felt like we want to do it. You're in the mood. So how are you gonna let him know?
he's the one, he's the one,
Who's asking?
oh, yes.
You never ask him.
No,
Never.
na,
You are 24 years old.
yes.
Lights on or off?
Off?
Okay. Do you like a hairy chest or a smooth chest?
Smooches.
Do you like your partner's natural scent or do you prefer a nice smelling cologne?
Natural scent.
If your partner became fluffy to the point where you are no longer attracted to him, how would you tell him to lose some weight?
I'm going to tell him, ano ba yun? Na mag-exercise para to lose weight and diet.
So you will tell him honestly to lose some weight, to exercise.
Exercise
Mhm.
and diet.
Diet. Okay, mom, you are 24. Are you still? Are you single or in a relationship?
In a relationship,
Okay, you have kids, right?
one.
One. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, Mom. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections are all I can see as I